Welcome back to my channel, guys. As I said earlier on Twitter, though I actually said I tweeted something. Don't mind me. I tweeted something about people. I needing 1,000 people to retweet before I drop this particular video. I was actually just joking, but I'll be dropping this video. Is actually on how to run some arbitrage. And you got to see how to go about it. Though I might not be calling the names of the bank cards due to some reasons or the other. So for those who really want to know the bank cards specifically, you can ask the questions on my Telegram page. So once you ask there, I'll be responding to all your questions there. So just make sure you go there to ask the questions. Those who knows will understand why I'm not dropping those names here. So I will have like 5 to 6 different banks when working on some of these channels. I'll be showing you guys. So just go with me. Let's go, guys. What you need is this is the account you need. Where is it? It's Pyypl. That's the account you need. Let me put my phone on DND. So that's the account you need. So you can see currently I have 71.59 USD, which is for some amount of cards which I run. You can see most of the cards are $19 because currently most of the bank card limits have been reduced to $20. So and you can only just debit 19, then the rest will be charges, which is around 0.85 thereabout. So now the next thing, it's so easy and straightforward on this platform. But for you to sign up on this platform, it's actually so easy to sign up, but you need an international passport for you to sign up. So I'll tell you some other platforms that actually don't require international passport. Probably they require just national ID card and probably voter's card. So all you need to do is to just click on add money. Once you click on add money, since we are using our debit card, just use your debit card. I have a debit card of someone who wants me to do on the behalf here. So I just typed in the debit card number. I'll be showing you most of these details because the one I did last time on Dash, I mistakenly showed my details, and someone who watched the video one way or the other was able to have access to my account and took off with everything in the account. So that's a bygone actually, but I'm just stating that here so for the person to know that he actually just did himself, because I don't know, I know that money can't really solve his problem, but that's a bygone though. So these are the details of the card. The first part here is the first part right here is the card pan. I know you might be able to see the card pan, but I won't be showing the months and I won't be showing the CVC so that you won't be able to have access to the others. But for here, just click on where they wrote you will pay USD, which is this. Click on it, you'll be seeing 5 default. By default it will be showing 5, but you need to change it to 19, be it which of the card you're using. 19. So once you change it to 19, this is what you'll be receiving, 18.15 after the charges has been taken. So once you do that, that means you're being charged, as I've said earlier, 0.85. so once you have this, then you now put the month here. You actually need to put the month, then year, then CVC. You're seeing there is actually CVV, our own CVV. So what I'll be doing now is I'll need to pause the video, then I'll put the CVV and the month and year. Yeah. So after putting the CVV, actually you need to click on pay here. So you might not see when I'll click on the pay, but that's what I'll do once I input the CVV and the month and year. So after clicking on pay, it will take you to where there will be OTP. Though this particular bank, if you're not very lucky on the first time, after clicking you select OTP or SMS. But if you're the one that use token, you can actually use your token, but I use OTP. And as I said earlier, I'm running it on behalf of someone. So here, sometimes if you click on continue, it might show you error that you need assistance, call for assistance, this and that. It might be network issue. Just try again, it will go through, except if the card is not profiled for international transactions. So you click on continue, then I'll expect, thank God, it takes me to the OTP right now. Then I'll go get the OTP from the card owner. So I'll pause the video to get the OTP. So now I just got the OTP, then I'll submit, and let's see if it goes through. So you can see it said the money has been successfully loaded. You can see how simple and straightforward this platform is. You can see earlier I was having 71.59, so the 18.15 will be added now, and I'll ask the account owner right now to confirm how much was debited, so that we'll do the math and see how much profit we'll be making, so that we can know. You can see now the balance has taken effect and it's automatically closed itself. So now I will pause the video so that I can discuss with the person. I just don't want to disclose someone's privacy, someone's name. That's why I need to pause it. I'll ask how much was debited. Normally it's supposed to be around 9,291 naira. So, and we'll be getting 18.15, but let me discuss with her so that I'll confirm, because sometimes the rates fluctuate. So let me confirm that, then I'll make a screenshot, crop out the name, and show you guys. So now, as you can see right here, this is the screenshot I made from the chart. So here, after getting the OTP and transaction was debited, I confirmed. As I said earlier, it's around 9,291, so it's 9,291.36, so which means it's actually less than 10,000. It's less than 9,300. So let's do the math. Here we got let me go to tools. There are actually other platforms you can use as well, which I will be listing, and some of the ones I have their links. I'll drop them for you in the video description section, so that I can check the links. If you don't know how to get them, you can just click on the link. It will redirect you to where you can get the applications or the browsers or their URLs. So let me go to the tools. So let's come here. Okay, let's go to Binance. Let me go to Binance. I need to go to Binance P2P. Let's check the current Binance P2P rates. Let's go to funding. Let's go to pay. No, sorry, not pay. Let's go to P2P. Let's go to USDT. We are selling. You can see. And let me just filter. Let me make filter. Since we are selling, let's just say 9,000. Let's look for someone. 9,000 bank transfers. Yeah, and confirm. Oh, I think I must have entered 900. Okay, you see, I mean 9,000. Confirm. You can see people that are willing to sell up to 9,000. It's up to 652.20. So let's assume 652.20. 652.20. That's the current rate times what do we have? That's 18.15. That's 11,837.43 minus 9,291.36. That's 2,546. This is a very fair amount. It's for just $20 you're making this profit. It's a very cool one. So I think it's fair on this side. I don't know for you, it might be too small for you, but to be very honest with me, if you can get this, have like how many transactions, it will be fine. So just do this. But and also for on GhostPay you can actually do transactions on GhostPay. We also have that are currently, I mean transaction. There are so many platforms, but currently the platforms that are working for the cards that are working at the moment, not actually all the cards. At GhostPay, it works only for one Nigerian bank card. Then we'll have Skrill also work for one of Nigerian bank cards. If you come to my Telegram channel, I'll drop all those things for you, but I'm not dropping it here. Reasons well known to me, better known to me, so I won't be dropping it here. So Zenith, one of the card actually do work on Skrill or Netella as well. Then we have for now crypto.com, Binance and other exchanges doesn't really allow cards for now. The cards you have for now, hopefully in future it will work, but for the purpose of in case of future cases, you can actually have the likes of those applications ready on your phone, the likes of crypto.com, Skrill, Netella, Pyypl, GhostPay, FasterPay, Liquid Pro, Bybit, and Coinbase. All those applications, you need them all. Then I'll be dropping most of their links. The ones I can drop the link, I'll drop them in the video description section. So just try to do that. And for the ones that are working on this Pyypl that is so easy to use, I'll drop them in my Telegram channel. Then you can go through them. So good luck to you guys. Enjoy. At least this money should get me breakfast. Don't mind me. I'm just joking. But it's actually worth it. So it's just that some of us sometimes we don't know that accumulation is very key. Some people make their wealth from accumulating. It can't just be it's not everybody that will be a millionaire overnight. So it starts somewhere. Just don't look down on any amount of profit you make. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and also don't forget to like and share my video with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you, guys. Bye.